Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. Okay, so now you can see already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what exactly and what kind of report it is. It's very simple only. So here we can see that there are three charts and one slicer. Here we can see each chart contains month-wise sales amount, like January to December I have the sales, so the respective each month-wise what are the sales it has displaying in this each chart. So here the requirement is, for example, if you notice here in the chart, so out of all the months, June month having the more number of sales. Okay, from January to December, so we can see June month contain more number of sales. So I'm trying to highlight the what are the month having more number of sales. I'm trying to differentiate with other month with a different color. So this is in this case July month, so having the less sales compared to the remaining months. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to differentiate with red color. Coming to this chart, I'm trying to highlight min as well as max sales. It means that, so if you notice from January to December, within these 12 months, June month as well as July month having the max sales as well as min sales. Even we can use the slicer, based on the slicer selection, we can find what is the minimum sales month and maximum sales month. Okay, let's try to understand. So I'm trying to click on Canada. Now you can see, so changes has been applicable. So United States, Kingdom, Germany, and Australia. So based on the slicer selection, it's affecting so dynamically. Now I will try to understand what kind of logic. It's very simple. I just used the rankx function so to get the output. Okay, so we'll see that. So like I think highest. So for this one, let me check. So now you can see I have declared one variable. Within the variable, I'm trying to use the rankx function to find the month name and month number. So I'm trying to generate the ranking based on the month number, and finally if the month number is equal to 12 means I'm giving the one color. If it is so less than 12 means some different color. Okay, so this is for the highest month. When it comes to lowest month, same thing, like instead of giving 12, I just given a 1 because I'm trying to find the ranking based on ascending order. Ascending order nothing but from the lowest sales so highest sales. So that's why I given the rank x is 1. So based on if the rank x is equal to 1, I'm trying to display red, otherwise I'm trying to display green. Okay, so for example, like multiple colors, it means that I want to display minimum sales as well as maximum sales. So in that case, I'm trying to write two if conditions. For example, so if the month number is 12 means I want to display some color. If the month number is 1 means so orange. So here month number nothing but a ranking number. Okay, so what are the ranking I'm trying to find? So based on that I'm trying to compare and displaying the color. Okay, so this is kind of one example, and in the page 2 I have trying to explain one more scenario. So basically here we can see one table and one chart and two slices. One is year and another one is so month wise. Okay, so here what exactly requirement is? So what exactly the requirement is? For example, here we can see from January to December we have the sales. Whenever, so if I did not select any value in the slicer, I'm displaying one color. So it is showing an orange color. I'm not doing any selection in the month. Okay, so in case if you want to do selection, if I select like a January or February, March, so I want to see that differentiate what are the months I have selected with a different color. So for that, for example, let me show the demo so that we'll get some idea. For example, I'm trying to select July. Now you can see, so easily understand, so these are the 4 months I have selected out of 12 months. Okay, remaining months I am not selected, and that's why I'm showing in different color. Okay, for example, even if we select 1 month also, we'll see the different color. If you select multiple values also, so we'll see different colors. In case if I did not select anything, so we'll see some different colors. Even you can change, it's working dynamically only. Okay, so it's working dynamically. You can select anything, we can. So basically in my data set, actually I have only 6 months in 2001. That's why you're able to see out of 6 months I have selected September, October. We can see the different color. Okay, so likewise we can see sometimes, so there is a possibility to get this kind of requirement. So that's why I'm doing this video. So I think it helps. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. If you like my videos, so please subscribe and share it to friends and colleagues if possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.